morning, lovely students. I hope all of you are safe and sound and are following all the guidelines of your parents. I know all of you must have been really curious to know who is going to teach you English this session, as I have not presented myself in the previous videos. So here I am. I, Poonam Dadij, welcome you all to the new session 2021. We have not met personally yet because of certain conditions, but I'm eagerly waiting to welcome you all to your new classroom. Till then, we will continue to study through these interactive videos. Previously, I have given you two videos, one on text and one on grammar section. I hope all of you are studying carefully at home. Today, we are going to start a new lesson from your English textbook, Joy in the Jungle. Let's get started. The narrator of this story is Shantanu Tamuli. He was born in March 1948. Mr. Tamuli is an editor, writer, publisher and an activist of children's literature. Shantanu Tamuli has written and published 30 children's books, both of fiction and non-fiction. Joy in the Jungle is a story about Munu, a village boy who lives in a village near Kaziranga forest. Now before going ahead, students, tell me, is Munu a common noun or a proper noun? We have already discussed the nouns in our previous video. Yes, very good. Munu is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular boy. One day, he finds a hollow piece of bamboo. Now students, tell me, what do you mean by hollow? Yes, very good. Hollow means having a hole or empty space inside. He looks at it. It seems strong and sturdy. He picks it up. Munu comes back home. He hands over the bamboo piece to his father and requests him to make a beautiful pipe for him. One day, while playing the pipe, he gets absorbed, little realizing that he has entered the jungle. He plays the pipe to the delight of birds and animals inside the jungle. As Munu plays the pipe, everything in the jungle begins to change. It gets filled with beautiful flowers. He then notices a rhino rolling in the mud. Munu goes on playing his pipe. The rhino stares at him with wet eyes as if in pain. Munu comes back home. He asks his father, "Papa, all the birds and animals in the jungle were happy to hear me play the pipe. But why was the rhino so sad?" His father answers him, "Son, maybe the rhino is sad because the poachers come and kill them. They take their horns away." Now students, tell me, do you know the meaning of poachers? Yes, very good. Poachers are the people who illegally hunt animals. Next day, Munu goes to the jungle with his father to see the rhino once again. But it is not there. Munu looks for the rhino. He finds that the rhino is trapped in a ditch. Her baby is standing close to her. Now students, tell me, do you know the meaning of ditch? Yes, very nice. A long channel dug at the side of a road is known as a ditch. Munu's father calls some villagers and together they dig another trench beside the ditch. The trench is like a passage so that the rhino can come out. The villagers move aside to allow the rhino to come out, but the rhino doesn't move. Everybody is worried. Munu starts playing his pipe. Hearing the melody of the pipe, the rhino stands up and slowly comes out of the ditch. Munu goes on playing the pipe. Slowly, the rhino disappears deep into the jungle along with her baby. Students, did you find the story interesting? Yes, very nice. I'm really glad to hear that. Now, can anyone tell me what is the moral of this story? Yes, very good. We should always love animals. We should not harm them. We should protect the animals irrespective of their size. This is the end of the video. Book exercises and question and answers link will be given in the description box. If you have any doubt, note it down and we will discuss it in our next class. I hope you all will seriously study this video and will continue to practice at home. Till next time, stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.